Instagram keeps stopping problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram keeps stopping problem solve. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, what you need to do if you are facing like this Instagram has stopped, or if you are facing a crashing problem on Instagram, if it is automatically turning off, closing, if it is automatically closed, the Instagram is closed, turning back, then this video is absolutely for you. So first of all, what you need to do is that you just need to check whether your internet connection is well okay or not, guys. If your internet connection is not great, not good, then please connect to a good Wi-Fi connection or internet connection. Okay, so after this you can check it out whether a problem has been solved or not, guys. If it is not solved, the second step you can do is that you have to go to Play Store or App Store on your device, and here you have to just search for Instagram. Okay, and after searching for Instagram, make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, so after doing, guys, after updating your Instagram, after updating your Instagram, you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not, guys. If it is not solved, then the last thing what you can do is that you just need to delete your Instagram from your device. Okay, after deleting the Instagram, what you need to do is that you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it. And after switching on, you have to re-download your Instagram app, and then you can check it out. The problem will absolutely solve. So guys, this is how you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.